All the principalities of power are dying in this year 2020. Hey, shit, 2020. What's up, beautiful people? What is going on? What is happening? Yes, your baby girl is finally on YouTube. Like, duh, I am on YouTube. Oh my devils, shame on you. Principalities and power are dying this year 2022. Mark my words. Cause you don't do, like, I've been on this YouTube saga since early last year, 2021. Procrastination, I want to finish my life. I'm like, next month I'm going to do it, and next month comes, I'm not there. The following month comes, I'm not there. Like, the circles just keep going on and on and on and on. So like, I'm so grateful, I'm so excited, I'm so happy that this is January 2022 and I'm actually taking the bull by its horn and I'm starting this channel, because in this year 2022 we're coming in hot. Like, we are coming in super hot, because them no rich, who they zuzu. All right, I want to use this opportunity to thank those of you that have been my support, those of you that have told me that, baby girl, you got this, you have to do it, you need to start it now. Those of you that have said fighting in Korea voice, and those of you that have actually subscribed to my channel way before I've even posted any content. Like, thank you so much. You guys are the real MVP. Like, I love you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, quickly, I want to use this medium, this opportunity to turn motivational speakers more. You know, most of us have been wanting to do something for quite a while now, but due to one challenge or the other, whatever it is, we've not been able to do it, we've been procrastinating and all that. Sweetheart, you need to start right now. Like, enough of the words, you need to take action. Like, time is not waiting for anybody. This is 2022. You still have time to start planning. Baby, you need to start right now. Stop waiting. Stop wasting your time. Stop wasting your time. Let's start. Let's do this together. So guys, my name is Irabor Happiness, and Irabor Happiness is a writer, she's a model, she's a presenter, and she's a baker. So I know you're wondering how a baker fits into all of the stuff I'm mentioned. But then I love art, I love creativity, I love the ideas of mixing colors, drawing something beautiful, and all of those. But when Baba God was showing that talent, I don't know where I went to. Like, I just disappeared. So and I decided that, okay, I can actually mix colors, like icing sugar now, mix colors and do something beautiful and all that. I'll probably be showing some of my work so you can actually see. I'm not feeling myself, but I'm just telling you. So like, that's how the whole baking stuff started. And then being a presenter has always been there, honestly, it has always been there. Because most times whenever I'm down, I listen to radio programs and they make me smile, they make me happy. And I'm like, okay, I can actually make people smile, make people happy, at least lighten the mood and all of those. So I started working with a couple of media organizations, and although it actually didn't work out, because most of the media organizations I worked with were startups that crashed along the line due to finance, and some of them not being straightforward and all that. And the funny thing is, with all these media organizations I'm working with, I'm the one creating my content myself. So it got me thinking, like, baby girl, what's happening? What is stopping? You're the one creating your content. What's stopping you? And then I decided that, okay, let's give this YouTube thing a try now. Since last year, January 2021, we've been on this something, and I'm grateful now. This is 2022, January, exactly 1 year, and we are doing it. Like, yes, we are finally doing this. Okay, aside the fact that media organization crashed because of finance and all that, I've always had this fear that, okay, maybe I'm not enough, maybe I won't be able to do like those superstar presenters that I actually adore a lot. So that's on that thing that stopped me. But then I'm actually happy that, yes, I don't know what cannot explain how excited I am. It's just giving me like I should carry this chair and put on my head, because I'm so happy that I'm actually doing this. Like, yes, I am doing this. Alright, so basically my YouTube channel will be about entertainment, like everything that trends and affects us in the society. And then along the line, we'll probably be introducing lifestyle, fashion, vlog. Let's just see how the process goes, Sha. We'll just be unveiling. So definitely you need to stay on, you have to stay with me on this journey. You get, you have to stay with me on this journey so that we can be riding smoothly and be having fun. Trust me, this channel is going to be fun for you, trust me. We will have fun, we'll be happy, we'll be jolly together, you get. So I think this is the part where all YouTubers say, subscribe to my channel, like, comment, see me. I'm going to beg you guys, because You see this baby girl here, she cannot do it without you guys' support. Trust me, I can't actually grow if I don't have people supporting me and all of those. So please, draw, dakun, how do they say it in Hausa? I don't know. Igbo said I don't know, but pigeon, I suppose no pigeon. She pigeon gets, please. Be like saying now, please. I beg, ngwanu. Bikono, please, you guys should support this baby girl. Please share my content, like, comment, put on notifications so that you'll be the first person to get whatever video I'm posting. You get now? See, and go to the comment section right now. Give this baby girl ginger. Say sweet words to me. Say words that are making my head to swell. Say words that are making me to be reading. I'll be like, oh, and I'll be smiling like a fool, guys. Like, I really need you guys to support me. Like, good vibes. I need good vibes. Give me ginger. So that's when I want to post the next content. I'll be dancing. I'll be posting the content. You get? I say share my content. Ejo, ebiko. Share my content to your brother, your sister, your auntie, your cousin, your brother, sister, auntie, your sister. See, anybody, to your haters. You see that guy that stole your babe, and that babe that stole your guy. You guys can sort things out through my channel. Just share to them, Just share to them. Even that your enemy, that person that you're having malice with, that person that you're planning that, to see this guy, if I see him, I will break his head. No need to break your head. Just share my content. Make una settle the matter. You get? So summary of everything I'm saying, that you guys should please support me. Like, I really need your support. So subscribe, like, comment, notification, blah 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 blah. You know what I'm saying? So guys, my next content will be on Friday. That's the very first content. You know, this is just the introduction. Me just telling you what my YouTube channel is about and all of those. So please, on Friday I'll be posting my very first content. Guys, I really need you to put on the notification right now. Put it on right now. So that when I post the first content, you definitely see it. Please, Ejo. I love you guys so much. I'm going to see you in my next video. Before the next video, stay cool, stay safe, enjoy yourself. Have a lovely day. Have a lovely week. Bobo to bobo. Mwah.
Thank you very much for watching. And I'll see you next week.